What if I told you that you can improve your English without studying grammar, without memorizing words, and without feeling bored, just by entering the world of Harry Potter? Imagine learning English in a way that does not feel like study at all. No boring rules, no long grammar tables, no pressure. Just a story that pulls you in, characters you care about, and a world you want to return to again and again. This is exactly why learning English with Harry Potter works so well. Today, I will guide you through how you can use the Harry Potter world to improve your English naturally, confidently, and enjoyably. Most people fail to learn English because they separate learning from enjoyment. They sit with books they do not like. They memorize words they never use. Their brain feels tired and bored. But language is not meant to be forced. Language is meant to be lived. Stories help us live a language, and Harry Potter is one of the strongest story worlds ever created for language learning. When you read or watch Harry Potter, your brain enters a different state. You are not thinking, I am learning English. You are thinking, what will happen next? This curiosity is powerful. It keeps you focused for hours. And when your brain is focused, learning happens automatically. This is not magic. This is how the human brain works. Let us start with an important mindset. You do not need to understand every word. Many learners stop because they try to understand everything. This creates stress. Stress blocks learning. When children learn their first language, they do not understand everything. They understand the story, the emotions, the actions. You must do the same. With Harry Potter, focus on the story, not perfection. Harry Potter is especially useful because the language grows with the story. In the beginning, the English is simple. The sentences are clear. The vocabulary is basic. As the story moves forward, the language becomes richer and deeper. This is perfect for learners. Your English grows naturally with the story, step by step. Start by choosing one version of the story. If you are a beginner, start with the book or movie in English, not both at the same time. Mixing too much can confuse you. If reading feels hard, start with the movie. If listening feels hard, start with the book. There is no wrong choice. The important thing is consistency. When you begin, do not rush. Take your time. Read or watch a small part every day. Even 10 minutes is enough. What matters is daily contact with English. Harry Potter makes this easy because you want to continue. You are not forcing yourself. You are following a story. As you read or watch, pay attention to how characters speak. Notice how they express fear, excitement, anger, and happiness. These emotions are universal. When Harry is confused, you feel it. When Hermione explains something, you hear clear English. When Ron jokes, you learn casual language. This emotional connection helps you remember words and sentences without effort. One powerful method is reading and listening together. First, read a small part, then watch the same scene in the movie. Or first watch, then read. This repetition strengthens understanding. Your brain connects sound with text. Pronunciation becomes clearer. Words become familiar friends instead of strangers. You do not need a dictionary for every word. This is very important. If you stop too often, you break the story flow. Instead, guess meaning from context. For example, if someone casts a spell and something explodes, you understand the action even if you do not know the exact word. This guessing skill is part of real language use. Another secret of learning English with Harry Potter is repetition. Many words and phrases repeat again and again. Names, places, actions, and emotions come back. Repetition is the mother of fluency. When you hear the same structure many times, your brain learns it naturally. You do not need to memorize it. Now, let us talk about speaking. Many learners read and listen, but never speak. This is a big mistake. Harry Potter can help you speak too. After reading a page or watching a scene, pause and say what happened in your own words. Use simple English. Even broken English is fine. This activates your speaking ability. You can also speak as the characters. Read a line out loud. Copy the tone and emotion. This is called shadowing. It improves pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Do not worry about sounding perfect. The goal is flow, not perfection.
Thinking in English is another powerful habit you can build with Harry Potter. When you read or watch, try to imagine the scenes in English. Describe them in your mind using simple words. For example, Harry is scared. The castle is big. They are running. This connects English directly to images, not translation. Harry Potter also teaches you real sentence structure. Instead of learning grammar rules, you see grammar in action. You see how questions are formed, you see how past tense is used, you see how emotions change sentence style. Over time, grammar becomes natural. You feel what sounds right. Many learners worry about fantasy words. Words like spells or magical objects may seem useless, but they are not a problem. First, they are a small part of the text. Second, they make learning fun. Third, the surrounding language is very real and useful. Focus on the common English, not the magical terms. Confidence is built when you enjoy the process. Harry Potter removes fear. You are not afraid of mistakes when you are enjoying a story. You are relaxed. Relaxation helps memory. This is why people remember movie lines easily but forget textbook sentences. Another beautiful thing about learning English with Harry Potter is motivation. Motivation is not something you force. It comes naturally when you care about something. You want to know what happens next. That desire pulls you forward. You do not need discipline. The story becomes your teacher. Do not compare yourself to others. Some people read fast, some understand quickly. Your journey is personal. The only comparison that matters is with your past self. If today you understand more than yesterday, you are winning. Let us talk about vocabulary growth. Harry Potter gives you words in context. Context is everything. A word without a context is weak. A word with a story is strong. When you remember a word with a scene, you remember it longer. Your brain loves stories. You can keep a small notebook if you want, but do not turn it into homework. Write only words that feel important or interesting. Write the sentence, not just the word. This helps you remember how the word is used, not just its meaning. Listening skills improve greatly with Harry Potter movies and audiobooks. At first, accents may feel difficult. British pronunciation may sound new. That is normal. Do not avoid it. Exposure is the cure. The more you listen, the clearer it becomes. Your ear adjusts naturally. If you feel lost at first, that is okay. Learning a language always feels confusing in the beginning. Confusion is not failure. Confusion means your brain is growing. Stay patient, stay curious. Another important idea is consistency over intensity. Do not try to finish everything quickly. Enjoy the journey. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Daily exposure keeps English alive in your mind.
Harry Potter also helps you understand culture. You learn how people interact. You learn humor. You learn politeness. Language is culture. When you understand culture, communication becomes easier. Speaking confidence grows when you repeat phrases you hear. Use short sentences from the story in your daily life. For example, I don't think so. That makes sense. Are you sure? These small phrases are powerful. They make your English sound natural. You may feel tempted to translate everything into your native language. Try to reduce this habit slowly. Translation is a bridge, not a home. Use it when needed, but do not live there. Let English stand on its own. Remember, fluency is not speed. Fluency is comfort. When you feel comfortable expressing ideas, you are fluent. Harry Potter creates that comfort because it feels familiar. Familiarity removes fear. There will be days when you feel tired. On those days, just watch one scene, read one page. Do not stop completely. Small steps keep momentum alive. You do not need expensive courses or special tools. You need interest, patience, and consistency. Harry Potter gives you interest. You bring patience. Consistency comes from enjoyment. As your English improves, you will notice something amazing. You will start understanding jokes. You will catch emotions in voices. You will predict sentences before they finish. This is a sign of real progress. Learning English with Harry Potter is not childish, it is smart. Many advanced learners use stories to grow. Stories are how humans have learned for thousands of years. Let go of the idea that learning must be hard. Learning can be joyful.
When learning is joyful, results come faster and stay longer. Your English journey does not need to be perfect. It needs to be alive. Stories keep language alive. Harry Potter is not just a story, it is a bridge between enjoyment and learning. If you start today, even with one page or one scene, you are moving forward. Do not wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Believe in this simple truth. When you enjoy English, you improve English. Let Harry Potter guide you, not as a teacher, but as a companion on your learning journey. Stay curious, stay patient, and most importantly, stay consistent. Your English will grow naturally and confidently, one story at a time.